Welcome to Shape Software. In this video tutorial, I'll be covering lead filtering within the settings pages of Shape Software. This settings page allows you to filter out bad leads that will help you increase your percentage of qualified leads. Let's go ahead and add some filter rules. To add rules, you just click on this blue button in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll be able to add some new rules with these fields that appear below. I've gone ahead and filled out these fields. I named this rule email. I'm going to be checking the Zapier source because this is one of my lead sources that enters the system automatically. My rule status is going to be set to on because I'll want to check every single lead that comes into the system from Zapier. Email is one of the fields that's coming in with this Zapier source, and I'll want to do email validation. So I've chosen email validation here. When I choose email or phone validation, I don't need to put a value because it's just going to be checking to make sure it's in a proper email or phone format. If it's not in a proper email format, I'll want to change the status and I want to return that to the vendor. When I press submit, it's going to save this rule into the table above, and from now on, all of my Zapier source leads are going to be going through an email validation prior to entering the system. You may be wondering, where do these leads go if I don't just change the status and filter my list by that particular status? We do have a report called the Rejected Leads Report, and all of the leads that are rejected from these lead filtering rules here will end up in the Rejected Leads Report. That way you don't always have to filter by a particular status, and you don't need to change the status if the lead is rejected each time. This concludes this tutorial of lead filtering within the Shape settings pages. If you have any questions, you can reach out to your sales rep, onboarding specialist, your account manager, or you can send an email to support@setshape.com at any time. Thank you for listening.